We understand earning money from an application is tough, but what if you have a new module available in your food delivery app to increase your earning? Hi everyone, check out the latest module we have added in our ready to launch food delivery application where a customer can order application all products just like this. The application you can see on the screen in the multi-vendor food delivery app like Zomato, and the sellers can promote their products like this. Seller can promote their listing like this. They can pay additionally to promote their listing, and when the seller pay additionally to the admin, that's how the promotion advertisement will show. The seller can show a particular banner offer, or he can show video and much more, and that is how the seller promotion is working. So if a seller promote his video like this, you can see how the video is showing. Seller can easily do it by using the seller app, and because the seller is paying additionally for the advertisement, you are earning more money as an admin. If you want to make an application like this, you can directly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on the screen. I'll see you in the next video.